Sicela ngingabi ngale ngemuva. Kuya ngapha ngaphambili.
Amandla.
Sicela ngingapha.
Amandla. Awethu. Comrades, njoba kade sidlulile la safonela umphathi waleli garage, yini igama legarage? Caltex. Kwa ukuthi uyezwe uyasondela. Usefikile ke manje uyasho ukuthi bebekhona abantu bokufika. Waba replace abanye. Kodwa njengamanje kunezikhala zabantu ezu3. Abantu kusekhona izikhala ezikhona la ngaphakathi ezu3 zabantu abawu3. Into esikhuluma naye ke sithi lozo izikhala ezu3 ithini somnika abantu zona. Yebo. Abekho abanye abantu laba. Yebo. Ilaba abantu abazobhekwa kubona ukuthi oba abantu abazongena la ngaphakathi. Sifuna umnika noma abantu abawu5 abheke kubona labantu abawu3 abafunayo yes labantu athi ufuna abantu abawu3 yena thina sombhansela abanye abawu2 abheke kubona ukuthi obani abantu azokwazi ukubathatha lapho sezwana kodwa ke akalona idlozi kumele ayikhulumele lento esengimtshele yona bakhona abaphethe ama-CV la hayi Waphethe? Okay, manini.
I spoke to the leaders over here. They're going to give us. They're going to give us 5 CVs, and from there we're going to choose the best 3, and then they're also going to monitor your progress and make sure that you all are complying also. Coming to work on time, not coming to work drunk. You know, you'll also have to meet us halfway. So that's.
So what's the process of submitting the service?
You're going to give it to them and they'll hand it over to us.
To our leadership.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Awusuyiphethe hayi phela manje mama.
Alright, sibukeliwe uyazwela.